Hi guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Sammie-tm. On today's episode, I want to show you a little trick in Camera Raw. Before you try to balance the color of your image, there's this particular thing you should do before balancing the exposure and contrast. So now let's go over to your portrait. Now normally we have Adobe color there, but now I had to remove the Adobe color because I don't want to use them anymore. I don't use them anymore, so I now work with the camera standard. There are other profiles. Yeah, you just click here and you see. So I kind of love the camera portraits here, so I just select it. Now you select it first before trying to balance or correct the lights and the exposure and all the rest. Now if you look at this image, it is obviously underexposed following the histogram here. So what we do is we set the profile first, then we now start adjusting a little bit. So if you watch the histogram, it's going to the right. So let's just add a little black, little on the black, then let's increase our shadows a bit. Okay, let's add a little contrast to it. Then reduce our highlight a bit. Then we can add textures if we want to. Little texture. So voila, that is it. So we have your before and your after. So what this camera profile does is it gives you a beginning point, how you shot it on the camera. Now you know that when you're shooting on your camera and now taking it to Photoshop camera, it's a bit different, you understand? So why not just start editing or balancing your lights the way you shot it on your camera? So you get the check. So thank you, and we'll see you on our next tutorial. Please like and share. Bye.